So you're thinking about moving to San Antonio? Well, property taxes might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you're thinking about your move, but it's something that you should definitely be thinking about because it's gonna save you money in the long run. Today, I'm gonna share with you 3 simple tips that you can do to protest your taxes here in Bexar County. If this is your first time to my channel, I want to be the first to say welcome. I'm going to share with you everything there is to know about living in San Antonio and the surrounding suburbs. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below so that way you can be the first to find out about the latest videos that come out and the current market trends here in the San Antonio area. My name is Tracy, I'm a mom to 5 and your local San Antonio Realtor. My family and I have lived in San Antonio for the last 9 years. We moved here in 2016, right before my son was born. My team and I love helping people make their move and transition to the San Antonio area, whether that's in 1 week or 1 year. We'd love to be able to help you. All of our contact information is down below in the description area. Make sure you go ahead and check that out. Hit the subscribe button. We can't wait to help you make a smooth and pain-free transition to the San Antonio area. If you're a homeowner in the San Antonio area, you should have received your property tax information by now. Bexar County sends out that information mid-April and you have until May 15th to protest your taxes. There are a variety of reasons why you want to protest your taxes. Number 1, a lower property assessment means lower tax value. Why? Because your property taxes are based off of the property assessed value. In Bexar County, the average tax rate here is about 2 to 2.8% of your assessed value. So, for example, if you have a $400,000 home, at 2%, your tax bill is about $8,000. Now, if you are able to protest your taxes and get that assessed value down by $20,000, so $380,000, instead of paying the $8,000 in taxes, you would actually be paying $7,600. That's a savings of $400. Now, like I said, of course, that percentage, the 2%, 2.8%, can vary depending on where you live and also the school district where you are zoned for as well. Number 2, remember, your property assessment is an assessed value that is actually made by a computer model. So there isn't going to be a professional person that is coming out to look at your property. So the computer model does not take into account if there are power lines, if there is a utility box, or maybe a fire hydrant that's right in front of your property. So those are things to take into consideration as you look to protest your property because those things can actually help you lower the property assessed value of your home. Also, as the county is putting together their assessed values, they are looking at nearby home sales. Well, your home may not have an upgraded kitchen or bath or roof such as other homes that have sold in your area. So those are also things to take into consideration as you are looking to protest your property taxes. Number 3 reason that you want to protest your property taxes is because you don't want to get stuck at a high valuation rate. And this is also going to help you in terms of reselling your home in the future because when potential home buyers are looking at your home, they're also going to be looking at the property taxes because the high property tax broken up into a monthly basis, that might deter somebody who is looking at homes in your area and they might see a home that is similar that has a lower tax assessed value. You always want to strive to have something lower, that way it helps your potential buyers look and see your home as a pro because that has a lower tax assessment. And 4, last but not least, it's completely free to do. You can go in person, you can do it online, or you can mail in your property protest. So there's no harm in trying. So let's get into my 3 tips that you can do to help protest your property taxes. Number 1, take photos of your home's current condition. If you didn't have a roof repair, upgrade your kitchen, upgrade your bath from the previous year, make sure that you show evidence that nothing changed from the previous year to the current year to increase your assessed value. Use it as evidence that your home is not worth as much as similar homes that were sold in your current area. Obviously, don't exaggerate, but be honest and thorough about your home's current condition. Number 2, if your home is in need of repair, make sure that you have contractor estimates. For example, if your roof needs to be replaced, if your HVAC needs replacement, or your foundation is in need of repair, make sure you get those written estimates from contractors so that way you can prove to the county that your home is worth less than homes that have sold in your area. Number 3, highlight some of the negative features of your home. Now, this may not sound like something that you want to do, but this is going to help you to lower your taxes. For example, do you live near power lines? Do you have a utility box in front or behind your home? Do you have a fire hydrant? Are there sidewalks around you? Do you live next to a vacant lot? Do you have a ditch or a drainage that is right by your home? Make sure that you notate this and also take screenshots of Google Photos. That way you can circle your home and circle the ditch, or point out the power lines and see how close it is to your home. All this will help you to build a case as to why you want to protest and lower your property assessed value. And I'm gonna throw in a couple bonuses. Gather data from nearby homes that have sold in your area. Yes, you can go use Zillow, Redfin, or Realtor.com, but the best way that you can actually do this is by contacting a local realtor. Hi. They can help you to run a CMA of homes that have sold in your area. And this is better because you're not gonna have to be relying on third-party sites, because Zillow, Redfin, Realtor.com, they actually grab data from the MLS. And so you wanna be able to grab it from the first-hand source. That way you can use that to build your case with the county. And last but not least, there are third-party sources that can help you to do this. For example, OwnWell is a company that will actually protest your property taxes for you. They will do the filing, they will gather evidence, and they will actually also be there for the appeals board as well. The only thing that you pay them is a contingency fee if they actually save you money. There are other companies out there that do the same exact thing, and so best bet would be to call around and see how much they charge you, and they can probably give you a very quick and easy quote online. Like I said, OwnWell I know is a company, I'm not affiliated with them, but they actually will charge you 25% of whatever amount they save you. And this is a great option if you're too busy or this seems too complicated for you. So there you have it, some simple and easy ways that you can go ahead and protest your property taxes that can save you hundreds, if not $1,000s on a yearly basis. You don't have to be a lawyer, it doesn't take a lot of time, you just need the right resources and tools in order to do so. If you found this information helpful, please remember to hit the like button below, subscribe, that way you can be the first to find out about other information in the San Antonio area. And if you know somebody who is looking to make their move or transition to the San Antonio area, my team and I would love to be able to connect with them and see if we're the right fit. Thanks for joining in, and until the next video, have a great day. Bye.